Welcome back to the Brew Buds, where today I'm going to be making a Blackberry Hydromel. Let's get started. Today we're going to use fresh star sands, 9 pounds of wildflower honey, 9 pounds of blackberries, 1 5-gallon bucket, 4.5 gallons of spring water, Safel SO4, Go Firm, cheap vodka or sterile boiled water if you prefer, measuring cup, measuring spoons, and our yeast pitching bowl. Side note, one way to prep your fruit is to freeze it the day before, then thaw it out on the day you're ready to make some mead. Let's prepare our area for mead making. As always, we sanitize our workspace. Now, before we pour all of our water into the bucket, we're going to reserve 2 cups off to the side and get it warm in our microwave. Today we're going to use Safel SL4 yeast, and we're going to be sprinkling in some Go Firm for a healthy hydration. Once we've emptied the rest of our water into the bucket, let's grab our honey from the sink and get ready for our honey shot. Give it a good stir. Make sure to introduce oxygen into the must for the yeast so they will not get stressed during fermentation. After that, we drop in our blackberries and give it a mash down and stir. Now we say our Yarkulk and pitch the yeast. Okay, after pitching is done, I'll give it one last stir. Okay, let's take a reading with our hydrometer. Looks like we're at 1.06, so we are going to get an ABV of close to 8%. This will go dry given the tolerance of our yeast, so we're going to stabilize and back sweeten later on. Then we tap down the lid. Put our airlock on. And fill up with your choice of vodka or sanitized water. And that's all, folks. I'm hoping the fermentation goes well and we have a crisp Blackberry Hydromel. Feel free to share your experience with hydromels in the comments below, and as always, if you like my videos and want to see more, then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.